Good morning, Clearbrown, North Dallas, 2021 Defender, first edition. Full vehicle wrap on this, XPEL Ultimate Plus, and we use some 10 in certain areas on this. And I'll go over that. The 10 mil product is obviously a 10 mil product, but let's go over some of the things on this. Starting with, let's start with this side right here. So coming around these fenders, wrapping in all into this headlight bezel, wrapping all the way around, getting it in. This guy here, I know will take it off road. Coming around, getting all this wrapped in, removing these, getting that hood all wrapped in so there's no line on top, wrapping our backside all the way around that hood. There's your clarity, no marks, no bubbles, no adhesive marks, no stretch marks. Wrapping this black piece here with Defender, coming around our doors, our mirrors. I got to tell you, these are interesting. Wrapping this guy, there's some seaming, but this all goes in one section here. Sorry, all this gets wrapped, all that gets wrapped, all this black gets done. Obviously the silver, but not these rubber pieces on the bottom, obviously. And then coming around here is all wrapped. The top, these sections up top, wrapping this in so there's no line. It goes in pretty deep. All this pretty common. Taking the tire off, pretty common. And then getting our gas cap, all this in here, all this, and much of the same on this side. You know, coming around these sides, wrapping those around, getting up under here. And then again, the mirror, that's a crazy mirror to wrap. And back over here to the front, all good. Coming up here in the nose, all this, the emblem, wrapping in here, wrapping all the way up in here, coming down here, and it goes all the way down to those holes. There's nothing to do with the holes. Put some ceramic over that grate or screen, same as we did here. What it does is it wraps around to here and all the way back and around, but the holes, I'd like to see them come out with a piece for that. And headlights. So there it is, 2021 Defender first edition, XPEL Ultimate Plus, topped off with some ceramic coating. ClearBrownNorthDallas.com if you have any questions, or you can reach us at 214-414-3809. Have a great day.